Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Olasukomi and welcome back to the sewing workshop. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this iron. You can see right here, it's an industrial iron. So we are going to cut this and set it up all together. Exactly what you're seeing on the carton is exactly what is inside. So we are going to unbox this together. This is a 2-lion electric steam iron. This is a steam iron, which is a little bit different from the general, even including the iron that I personally use. I use an industrial and I use a Philip. So unboxing it, the very first thing you're going to see is the water reservoir, which is that the water is actually separate from the iron itself. You can see this is the water reservoir for the iron. You can see that it is a 2-lion, and inside of the reservoir, let me check. Inside of this, we are going to have the so this is the hose that we pass the water from the water container itself to the iron itself. So we are going to connect all of this together, and also inside we have the handle, we have the reservoir handle. I'm just dropping these things. Okay, so we have the reservoir handle. We are going to connect all of these things together, and there are other things inside of the nylon that I don't know the use of. So I'm just going to place this at the side so we can continue with the unboxing. So let me just put that at the side here. So after we are going to have this is the iron carrier. I don't know if this actually have another name. You guys can just tell me, but I believe that when you're using your iron, you're going to place it on top of this in order to not burn your fabric or something. So if this has a name, you guys should tell me what the name is, but I do believe this is what they use it for, to carry the iron. And the next thing is going to be the iron itself. And after that, there's nothing inside of the carton. So that is it. Bye bye carton. Actually, it's still in my office. All right, so the iron actually weighs a little bit. It's actually weighted than the average iron that you can just see out and buy. It's a little bit heavy, which actually add a lot of weight to your fabric, which give it a better pressing. So at the back, there is an engrave of 2-lion engraved on the back side, and we're going to actually set this all up together so we can see the functioning. We can on it and use it and see how good it is. So that's about the unboxing. And this, I think this rope is actually a little bit short. Let me just to confirm that it will be okay. I think it's long enough. Okay, this is actually long enough, because if you like ironing a lengthy fabric. So I actually like this. Actually, it actually looks very authentic, and it's actually quality, and it's very, there will be a link in the description below just in case you want to get this. So this is actually an undo for the plastic, and we are going to go to the table and actually set this up together. But let me just put this right here so that I can, this is the first time I've not used this actually, so everything I'm doing in this video is actually exactly how you're seeing it. So here, oh okay, so this is just how to hang it. You're just going to hang it on the side, and this is the cover, and I'm just going to cover it. So I'll take this to put some water inside of the reserve, and also on the hose, I'm going to connect the hose and the iron together. There are other things inside of the nylon that I don't know they are used. I'm going to make some research and know what they are used for. But basically for the hose itself, these other things that you guys are seeing on the nylon, I don't know what they're used for. But this hose right here, in order to just connect the hose together, you're going to put, there's a tap under the reservoir. You can see there's a tap under it. You're just going to put it inside. You can see that. And also here on the iron itself, at that place, you can see there's something covering that. Okay, so I will just remove that and simply put the other side of the hose inside. You can see that. I'm just going to put it. You can see it's a little bit hard to, okay, I think I'm doing something wrong here, because it's supposed to go freely. I think I'm doing something wrong. Why? All right, so okay, I think because the other one is actually very, very free, so I'm just going to remove this side, also. I'm going to put this side here. Oh okay, you guys can see that. I think this side is actually meant for this side, while this side is meant for this side. You can see how easy it goes in. So the hose actually have different texture from both sides. So I'm just going to like pull this in. So that's all about it. That's all the settings. These other things that are inside of the package, I don't know what they are used for. So I'm just going to place it in one place and like check online if there's other things I am missing. So I'm going to like put some water here and we can actually test this. So I'm going to take this to the ironing table. We're going to connect it, test it, and know what this is used for. So I already added some water to the reservoir, you can see. So if I open this tap, the water will be coming out. You can see that. So I'm just going to close it and I'm going to pass the hose back under the... I'm going to pass the hose, place the hose, and I'm going to hang this somewhere now. I'm going to hang it at the top so that the water will be able to flow down straight. You can see, I'm just going to place the hose back there. So I'm going to hang this somewhere right here now. So I'm going to show you where I'm hanging it so that the water will be able to flow. But first and foremost, let me connect this first. I'm just going to place this right here, connect it, and I'm going to turn it on. So right here, I'm going to turn this also on. You can see, I'm going to this is mainly, I don't know the name of this, but it's mainly to like put your iron on top. So I'm going to place the iron on top. You can see that. And this is, I hang this at the side in which I'm working. So I'm just going to hang this at the side, you can see, so that the water will be able to like come down. So after hanging it, I'm going to open the tap. I believe you guys can see that. I'm going to open the tap. Just here, you can see the water is coming out. You can see the water is coming out already. You can see that. You can see. Just allow the water to like come down. So after the water has come down, so here on the side there is a on button. So I'm just going to turn the switch on. So it is on now. I'm going to allow it to get hot a little bit and I'm going to like on this side also. You can see that. It actually feels very authentic. Feel authentic in the hand. So this side on the handle, you can see there is a button there also in which you're going to press in order to like remove the steam. You can see the steam SW. You can see that. So I'm just going to utilize this a little bit. You can see there's some steam coming out. Can you guys see that? You can see that. Okay, there's some steam coming out. So this is what I'll be using more on my video now. You can see that. So we can get a lot cleaner look on our outfit. Very smooth outfit, and it's like crystal clean outfit, so we can work and get a better results when we work. So that's about it. If you want to get this iron, the link will be under this video, but you can see, you can order it and it can be delivered to you guys. So that's about it on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and you smash the like button. I've not asked you to smash the like button since. So that's about it on this video. So I'm going to be showing you the work I'll be doing with this, and you guys are going to like love the result. This